Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the environment is ready. Confirm your platform account and payment methods are valid so the store can authenticate. Once done, check device storage, have at least 1 GB free, and run a quick file check to avoid write errors. Now close all background apps and do a full headset restart. This clears locks and network caches. After reboot, open the store page for Gorilla Tag and Tap Update, if available, so the system begins downloading the patch. You continue by addressing common blockers. Force stop the platform store app, clear cache and data, and sign in again to refresh authentication tokens. If problems persist, change your network, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired connection, and verify speeds above 5 Mbps for stable downloads. Once network is stable, monitor the store download. If it stalls, locate partial game files and remove them, or uninstall and reinstall Gorilla Tag. You finish by launching Gorilla Tag and verifying the in-game version number in settings to confirm the update applied. Test a quick match or local room to ensure assets load correctly. If problems continue, rejoin a different region server or perform a router restart to refresh NAT and port mappings. Make sure headset firmware and the store app are updated too. This one tip often fixes invisible compatibility issues. If it still fails, gather error messages and log timestamps before seeking support for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.